Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Redmi model and MIUI version so you know the exact menu labels. This matters. Once backed up, open Settings and go straight to Second Space. Make sure you have the screen lock PIN or password at hand. You will be prompted to authenticate. Tap Second Space and choose the Manage icon. This is where removal options appear. Don't skip backup because deleting Second Space removes its data. Now proceed to the removal confirmation step to start cancellation. You now move into deletion. In Second Space Management, select Delete Second Space and read the warnings carefully. When prompted, authenticate with your lock method. This verifies ownership and prevents accidental loss. The phone will begin removing the second profile. This can take a few minutes depending on data size. During this process, make sure not to reboot or force close settings because interruption can leave residual files. Once the system finishes, it consolidates storage and returns you to the primary space automatically. You finish by verifying you're back in the primary space. Check home screen apps, photos, and available storage to ensure data merged or remained intact. Then reboot the phone once to clear temporary caches and finalize system settings. If deletion failed or hung, free up storage and update MIUI because insufficient space or outdated firmware often blocks removal. If problems persist, use My PC Suite or contact support, but first try deleting again after update and reboot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.